How to download Banco Sabadell statement. If you have an account with Banco Sabadell, downloading your account statement is quick and simple. You can do it directly from the Banco Sabadell mobile app or through online banking on your computer. First, open the Banco Sabadell app and log in using your PIN or biometric authentication. Once you're inside, tap on Accounts from the home screen. Select the account you want the statement for, such as your checking or savings account. Next, look for the Documents or Statements section here. You'll see a list of recent monthly statements, each labeled by date. Tap the one you want, then choose Download or Save as PDF to store it on your phone. If you're using a computer, go to the Banco Sabadell online banking website and log in with your credentials. Click on your account, then select Statements from the menu. From there, you can view, download, or print your statement as needed. Always make sure to keep your downloaded statements secure, especially if you're saving them on shared devices. If you need a statement for official purposes, such as visa or tax documentation, downloading the PDF version is best. That's how you download your Banco Sabadell statement quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.